What does it take for a normal schoolboy, scouted on a random football field, to become the undisputed king of Japanese entertainment? Today, Kento Yamazaki is a global icon, dominating Netflix charts worldwide and breaking box office records. But behind the flashing cameras and the massive global fame, Kento's journey has been surrounded by intense media speculation. From massive rumors about his private life and secret relationships to critics questioning if he was getting too many roles, the pressure on his shoulders has been immense. Yet, every single time the media tried to create a controversy, Kento responded in the most beautiful way possible, with pure humility and undeniable talent. Today, we are breaking down the incredible life story of Kento Yamazaki, uncovering the truth behind the viral rumors, and exploring how he handles the dark side of fame while remaining one of the most loved and respected actors in the world. Trust me, the way he handles his public life will make you respect him even more. Let's dive in. Born on 7 September 1994 in Ibashi, Tokyo, Kento grew up without any connections to the entertainment world. He was just a regular boy with a massive passion for football. In fact, his ultimate dream was to become a professional football player or a coach. He spent his days sweating on the field, completely unaware of how his life was about to flip upside down. When he was in his third year of junior high school, he was walking through the famous Takeshita Street in Harajuku when a talent scout stopped him. With his striking looks and natural charm, he was immediately signed as a model for the magazine Pichi Lemon. While modeling brought him attention, Kento wanted more. In 2010, he made his acting debut in the mystery drama Atami no Soskan. He was young, inexperienced, and terrified of the cameras. But instead of giving up, he treated every set like a classroom. He would sit quietly, watch senior actors, and take notes. This incredible work ethic is exactly why directors fell in love with him early on. By 2014, Kento entered a golden era that would define his career. He became the ultimate face of shoujo manga live-action adaptations. If there was a popular romantic manga, Kento Yamazaki was guaranteed to play the handsome, aloof, or deeply emotional male lead. Movies like LDK popularized the famous Kabedon trend across Asia, and his performance in Orange won him the prestigious Japan Academy Film Prize. He became a national heartthrob. But with that massive title came a hidden challenge. The media began debating if Kento was getting typecast. Critics wondered if he could ever play anything other than a high school prince. This was a crucial moment. Instead of playing it safe, Kento completely shattered expectations. He took on the role of Shin in the massive historical epic Kingdom, undergoing grueling physical training and sword fighting. Shortly after, he took over the world as Arisu in Netflix's global phenomenon Alice in Borderland. He proved to the entire world that he wasn't just a pretty face, he was a powerhouse performer. When you are as massive as Kento Yamazaki, your private life is constantly under a microscope. For years, fans and tabloids have been incredibly curious about his relationship status. The internet absolutely blew up when major Japanese media outlets reported a beautiful dating rumor connecting him with his former co-star and superstar actress, Suju Hirose. Paparazzi published photos claiming the two were spending time together. In the entertainment industry, dating rumors can sometimes create immense negativity or fan backlash. But the way Kento handles this is a masterclass in maturity. Kento has always maintained an golden rule: absolute privacy, silence, and profound respect for his co-stars. He never uses his personal life or relationships for media clout or publicity. By keeping his private life completely sacred, he protects the people around him from unnecessary online hate. Even when critics occasionally claimed he was taking up too many mainstream projects, Kento never complained or responded negatively. His co-stars constantly praise him for being the humblest person on set, often helping the crew and making sure everyone feels comfortable. He turned potential media gossip into a narrative of pure professionalism, earning the deepest respect from both fans and industry veterans alike. Moving forward, Kento Yamazaki shows absolutely no signs of slowing down. With major international projects, highly anticipated sequels, and new creative challenges on the horizon, he continues to expand his global empire while keeping his feet firmly on the ground. He started as a boy chasing a football and became a true hero of the silver screen. Kento Yamazaki is the perfect example that true stardom isn't about creating noise or engaging in media drama, it is about working hard in silence and letting your success make the roar. What is your absolute favorite Kento Yamazaki role? Are you a fan of his romantic classics, or do you love his intense survival dramas like Alice in Borderland? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, let's talk about it. If you found this deep dive inspiring, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another epic actor spotlight. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.